Never ever hold it, never mind. Oh,
Hello friends, welcome back again. This is a late post for Kodaikanal which we did on March 16th and 17th in 2 days. 900 kilometers plus were covered. Actually in this trip मेरे साथ एक experience हुआ था. My rear tire got burst and luckily हम लोग 40 पे थे and I was with a pillion, but somehow after the burst I managed to stop the vehicle and some parts of it were not captured. The highway was pretty straight. As you can see, I was cruising at 130, 140. So without much take, let's begin. So a warm good morning, and we have just starting. We are just starting towards Kodaikanal. It's 3 a.m. in the morning, and I would say not pretty cold. So basically there are two routes, one is through Palani and one is through Dindigul. We took the Palani route and we plan to return through the Dindigul to have some of the famous biryani. वहाँ की biryani बहुत famous है. The Palani route still has a lot of twisties and curves. As we are approaching through Palani, you can see a lot of greeneries और road धीरे धीरे करके narrow होते जा रहा है and I guess in a short duration we have to start. I guess more 50-60 kilometers are there और गर्मी अच्छे से हो रही है. Hopefully we reach out soon because it's getting pretty hot here. आगे रुकते हैं ना. Hairpins started. It says more 50 kilometers, but अभी भी पसीने निकल रहे हैं. I guess it should be around 38-40 degrees here, but I think as we climb the mountains it will get colder. Hairpins in total. I think अब तक 7 या 8 ही हुए हैं. Lot more to go. It seems pretty slower than what I expected. चार घंटे में परेशान कर दिया है. Almost 6 kilometers now and we are crawling behind them. So we are almost inside Kodai, 3-4 kilometers I guess to Dolphin Nose from here. So the resort we have taken is in Dolphin Nose itself. So we will cover the Dolphin Nose today itself. 3:30 p.m. Dolphin Nose, our destination where we have taken a resort. As you can see, it was very peace and calming. Actually, my battery died, so I couldn't capture some of the moments. But trust me, guys, it was one hell of a view. So the knuckle guard came off after my bike fell due to a loose stand. Feeling pretty bad, but now continuing towards Kodai Lake. I heard they have some pretty good cycling over there, so we'll pass on the evening over there, and probably tomorrow morning we'll start for the Mole Lake and Mo Point and all the other places around Kodai. अब बोल सकते हैं ठंड है, मैं तो जैकेट भी नहीं लाया, पता नहीं, देखो आगे ठंडी ना हो आते हुए. कौन आगे जाएगा और कौन पीछे जाएगा. हम लोग आए कैसे थे? इस तरफ प्रॉपर्टी रेट बहुत सस्ते हैं. कुर्ग का बेटर है मेरे को, फिर भी कुर्ग बेटर लगता है. कोडाईकनाल दो. यहाँ मील मिलेगा, खाओगे तो खा लो ना. Last night it rained and the climate is a little bit humid today. It's quite early in the morning and you can say the sun is pretty high. We were expecting some fog, but we couldn't see any. Moving towards the Berryjum Lake, I guess they don't allow two-wheelers, but we'll still have a look and check अगर अलाउ कर रहे होंगे then it would be well and good, or we have to take a bus. There is a bus service which the guest house owner told us.
यही रोड में है। यहाँ देख लो, कुछ खाना है तो खा लो, बिकॉज आगे और मिलेगा नहीं कुछ, जंगल वंगल है। मस्त है वो। नो पार्किंग लिखा है। पार्किंग कहाँ करेगा बंदा यहाँ पे?
We were expecting some fog around this place, but Pillar Rock में भी fog इतना नहीं है. So we are moving now towards Moed Point. I'm not sure what that exactly is, so we'll go and check out.
ये मोर पॉइंट है। मोर पॉइंट जाना है। जाओगे?
So the forest authorities didn't allow a bike, so they were okay with the 4-wheeler, but a 4-wheeler कहाँ से लाए? So हमने बस कर ली, and the bus it's making multiple stops at different viewpoints, quite relaxing. Now it looks like we are in a hill station. अभी हम लोग बहुत हाइट पे आ रहे हैं. So that's the reason we can see a lot of wind over here. The bus guy told us there will be, I think, 9 to 10 stops where he will take us. Probably they all will be the viewpoints. we have finally arrived at the Verijam Lake. आज ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं है. We'll spend some time over here and then we'll start for Bangalore. हमने सवेरे ही चेकआउट कर लिया था because it's a pain again going back to the dolphin nose and then taking our bags. So finally we have started for Bangalore. Now it's feeling like it's going to rain. A lot of fog. तो ऑल माउंटेन्स ओवर. अभी बहुत गर्मी है यहाँ पे. Yes, it should be around 38, 39. The overall trip in terms of climate I would say was not so bad, but then if you're a biker you care more about the riding experience, जो कि इस केस में पूरा हुआ है. Soon enough I'll be doing a Munnar trip. See you then. I hope you like the video. If yes, please do like and share.